This is the practice test for algebra. Here we're working on problem number 16. And the problem states, the president of a certain university receives a salary that is 3 times the salary of one of the department heads. The total of the two salaries is $190,000. And letter A, we're asked, what is the salary of the department head? Letter B, we're asked, what is the salary of the president? This problem is similar to problem 13 that we did earlier, and in this type of a problem we want to start by making x equal to what is least in the problem. We have two things that are unknown to us, the salary of the president and the salary of the department head, and so we're going to make x equal to what is least, which is the salary of the department head. And we know that because the sentence tells us that the president receives a salary 3 times the salary of the department heads. So the department heads have the least salary, and we're going to make x equal to the salary of the department head. And we are told that the president's salary is 3 times the salary of a department head. So 3 times x is going to be the salary of the president. And then we are also told that the total of the two salaries is 190. So we're going to take the salary of the department head plus the salary of the president, 3x, equals 190. And this is really a 1x plus 3x, and they're like terms. We can combine them, and we get 4x is equal to 190,000. And our last step is always to divide both sides of the equation by the number in front of the x, the 4. So I divide both sides by 4. The 4's cancel, and x is equal to 190,000 divided by 4, which is going to be 47,500. So x is equal to this amount, and we made x the salary of the department head in the beginning. And now I can go on to letter B. What is the salary of the president? And we said here that the president's salary is 3x, and so we're going to use that down here, 3 times the x, which is 47,500. That's going to give me 142,500, and that is the salary of the president. Now you can check this. If you add these two salaries together, you should get 190,000, which is what you were given in the problem.